So finally we have this on the channel. So now we are gonna look what's inside this box. Let's roll the intro. Hey, what's up? It's always me, Johnny, and today we're gonna unbox this Mi 11 Ultra. It came out like a month ago, but actually I've bought from the official website of Xiaomi, and the shipping time starts from like today when I'm recording this video. So I don't know if there was some sort of embargo for like a normal consumer like me, and because you probably already saw this in other YouTuber channels, bigger channels I mean. Now we have it also on this channel, so let's see what's inside. So inside of that box we have two big boxes. Actually, this is the phone that it's actually smaller than this other box that you can see right here. It is the Mi wireless charger, and so this is a wireless charging stand, as you can read it right here, and it was like a promotion on the Xiaomi website. So if you bought in the first 2 days, I guess, the Mi 11 Ultra, actually you got this for free. So I did buy this one, and they gave me also this, and I have to say that the box is actually very cool. I like this kind of design, and very nice. You can see right here how it is. It is 80-watt charger, wireless of course, and we will try that. It says that's included to the 80-watt wireless charger. There is also 120-watt charger, but wired. So if you have like a phone that supports this kind of wattage, that I know of, it's only the Mi 10 Ultra, so the last year Mi Ultra, but yes, it's always a plus. And here we have the actual phone box that we are gonna open after this one. So let's first open up this one. Okay, there is a first mini box here. It is heavy, so I guess there is some kind of charger inside, maybe the wired one, because it's really heavy. So yes, we have the wired charger, and it is pretty massive actually, and you will see it better in a minute. So there it is. I don't know if you can read it, but it says 120 watts. So it is pretty beefy actually. This is the cable, of course, the USB cable. And this cable, it's USB-A to USB-C, so keep that in mind. So here we have some other paperwork, and of course the wireless stand charger. And yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty modern, we can say. It has a good design actually. We have USB-C in the back, and we have some fans, of course, under the charger, because this is 80 watt. So if you are charging a phone 80 watt continuous, this one is gonna get really hot, and so there is a fan inside just to cool it off. So we'll leave that here for a second, and we will take the Mi 11 Ultra box. Actually, I want to do a comparison with the old box. I mean, not the old box, the Mi 11 Standard Edition box, just to do a comparison. So here, as you can see, this is the Mi 11 Standard Edition, so the normal one that I have right here, and it is full white. So here we have full black, it is matte black of course, and here full white. I don't know what I like most, but let me know down in the comments what is your preference. So let's open up this phone and let's see how it is. So we have the classics paperwork right here, SIM ejecting tool right here, and of course we have paperworks and an adapter to USB-C to jack 3.5mm, a cover, and we can see already the big camera bump right here. Cut it. We are gonna see what's inside the box under the phone. We have some paper layers. We have a 67-watt charger wired right here. So this is the, we can say, original for the Mi 11 Ultra. So it does support maximum of 67-watt wired charging. We have USB-C right here. Let's see now the actual phone. So it is pretty heavy actually. So I did already know that it was heavy, but it is very, very heavy. I did take the white version. I always take the black ones, but in this case I liked the white one more, and so I did try this one. So there it is. This is the phone. It's actually very, very cool in white. I kind of reminds you that this is not glass, but this is ceramic actually. So we will turn it on right now. And yeah, the camera bump actually, it is very, very big. It stands out. But yeah, it is a good design. I kind of like it actually, but very, very heavy. So I'm gonna say that it is really, really heavy. So we are gonna set up this phone right now. And yeah, you're gonna see the review, of course, of this phone. And we are gonna review also the camera, and we are gonna do some comparison also with other phones that I have right here. So stay tuned for that and subscribe if you haven't already, because it will be very, very interesting. And actually, if you did like this video, just hit a like button down below. It doesn't cost anything, but it helps very, very much. And yeah, that's it. So I think I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.